Okay guys, so hello and welcome back sa ating munting channel. So for this video guys, let's not forget about Rohan 2 under Cross Network. So after our 125k Dias on the leaderboard boosting event by Crosswave, I have been grinding this game for 2 weeks and finally we are now at this level in which I think this will give us more better ways to earn from this game. So for this video guys, share ko lang sa inyo yung basic na ginawa natin how I managed to reach this level. And then we'll be checking out the Shadow Leap. So it says that we have a chance to win at least 100 USDT. We'll check more details about this and hopefully this video may help you go back and start playing Rohan 2. Okay, so let's get this started. So we are now at level 80 and we unlock these beginner benefits. So now we can obtain tradable items, tradable coins, exchange, and the P2P trading, which means RMT is now possible on this game. Now let's answer the common questions, okay? So how do we earn and how much we earn? Okay, so I'll be honest with you guys, there's no such thing as 2k per day. 2k per day was dead long before Axie Infinity went down the drain. For what I see as of now, if you want to earn big in these games, you have to be a big spender and maybe grind the game for 24 hours. For us, creator, influencer, and promoter, yes, we earn from the game. So I'll be sharing you what I can earn from this game as a normal gamer. Okay, so let's set things aside. Now let's discuss how we earn from this game. Since we reach level 80, we can easily farm Cron. Click your menu and go to your Cron trade. As you can see, you can sell your Cron into rubies. Click sell. And I farmed this last night around 2 million Cron. So we can list this for sale and then max, then confirm. If you manage to solve this, you will get half of your 15 rubies because of the 50% piece. Okay, so let's go back. Now click this part. You can see your rubies. We have two types of rubies, the unbound and the bound. So you can only exchange rubies with the R sign. If you want to go to exchange, click menu and go to your cross ramp. It will direct you to a website. From there, you can exchange your ruby to Ruby X. So this is the main way to earn from this game via Cron trade. Now we have another ways to earn from this game. Let's go to our inventory. As you can see, most of my items are tradable in the market. You can now sell this at the market for rubies. But I suggest if you want to sell this, you have to combine your items to a higher grade before you start selling at the market. Let's check the market. So if you want to buy your weapons or armor, you can do it here, but you have to pay this with rubies. So if you want to sell, just click sell. We are also selling items here. Ang tanong is kung nakakabenta ba tayo. Okay, so let's click history. Yes guys, nakakabenta naman tayo kaso maliliit lang. Ayan o. So I sold this longbow for 40 rubies. Ancient skill for 20 rubies. Take note, you will not get the 40 rubies because there's a 50% P. So as of now, that's how I earn from this game via Cron trade and market selling. If I manage to earn in a different way, so I will be sharing and I will be updating another video for the earning. Now I will be sharing you what I did to reach this level and my daily routine. Okay, so let's go with the quest and then click quest. After reset, you go to your request. Now choose a map in which you can farm easily and you won't die. Just click auto progress and teleport. Just let it play and complete all the requests. Once done, check for your sub-quest. If you have no sub-quest, now go to your main quest. It's pretty simple. If you have Hunter Helper, you may use it so you can take a break from the game. Okay? Now, if you're stuck and having a hard time doing quests, so just search for a low-level monster and from there, you just leave it, let it play since this has an auto features. Just leave it there until you're strong enough to complete another quest. Okay, so now let's check the Shadow Leap. So I checked the details about the Shadow Leap. So I think this is for high-level players, especially with active guilds or active groups to participate. Because for what I know, you need to jump from a server to another server in which you will invade, kill them, earn points. Because this will require you to invade other servers. And of course, the more points you earn, the more chances you'll get a reward. So I think there's a territory tax and dedicated currency for Shadow Leap. So I think I'll be discussing more about this until I try this and experience Shadow Leap. And don't forget guys, server transfer is available on Rohan 2. Okay, so I think that's about it for now. So I will be checking more features about this game. So stay tuned for our next video and hopefully you can help and support me on this Rohan 2 journey. Okay, so I will play Spoomly and I guess I will be seeing you on our next video. Bye.